Hi everyone, welcome back again. This video, I just want to talk about module two. Uh, right now, you're supposed to finish. You're supposed to finish uh, all the requirement for module one, and you are familiar right now with the Canvas, how it's working, what is required from you. Guys, what you did in the module one, that's what we're gonna do in each module, module two, three, four, five, six, seven, and eight. Okay, we have 8 modules. But of course, we will have different chapter, and we will have different experiment. Okay, now let me share with you what you're gonna do in the Canvas. Go to the Canvas. Okay, let me just come here. It says go. We're done with the module one, guys. Okay, you will scroll down. So here is the module. Don't forget, guys. You will go first to the home page in the Canvas. Go down to the learner module. As I said, right now you are familiar with all these. You finish landing page, get started, registration with Kim 101 app, module one. You go with these, all these things. You finish the exam. This is the optional reading here, guys. If you need to use the reading or get the material from the free textbook that we are using. Then module two. Click what is in the module two. It will tell you which chapter we will cover. So in this module, we will go through chapter 3 and chapter 4. And you can click in the bottom of this page next. It will take you to another page. This video that I'm recording right now, you will see it here in the bottom, okay? Just to show you what's required from you to do in this module, okay? And as I said, we will do approximately the same what we did in module one, but with the different chapters, okay? Chapter 3 and chapter 4. Okay, let's click next. So we will have the PowerPoint slides, lecture note, and the lecture note, okay, the Word document, the lecture note summary. And also, I have here the chapter 4 PowerPoint with audio, just in case if you prefer to use the PowerPoint with the audio. This audio, it is my voice talking and explaining, giving some example also. Decide what you have in this regular PowerPoint slide. So here, guys, when you will click in the PowerPoint slides for chapter 4, look here, let's try it. It will download these PowerPoint slides, okay? And also with the audio. I prefer if you will download it, okay? With the audio, it's only chapter 4. I don't have it for chapter 3 yet. Maybe if I will have it, I will post it later. And let's get also, this is for chapter 4, the summary. And let's review them together. Look at here, guys. So what do we have here? It is just the PowerPoint slides without sound, without audio, okay? The same things that we have in the module 1 for chapter 1 and chapter 2. Go through all these things. Balancing, we will talk about balancing the reaction, guys, here in chapter 3. First of all, let me talk about chapter 3. In chapter 3, we will learn about the structure of the atom. Proton, electron, neutron, these subatomic particles, the number, when it will be different, what we will get. And we will learn also very important things. It is the chemical formula for the chemical compound and the nomenclature, naming the compound. In chapter 4 that I'm showing to you right now, we will learn about the chemical equation. So chapter 3, you will learn about the chemical compound. And in chapter 4, you will learn about the chemical reaction. You will learn how to balance the chemical reaction, how to write the chemical equation. And we have the type also, the classification of the chemical reaction. Okay, you will learn about it. Solubility, it is important subject here. Then we have to learn how to write the net ionic equation and also some other type reaction, which is the redox reaction. Okay, all these it is in chapter 4. Okay, now you're done with the PowerPoint slides. Let's use this PowerPoint slides with the audio. As I said, it will be with the sound, the audio might sound, my voice, I'm talking about these lectures. By the way, guys, if you don't want the sound to be on, just remove it from here. You can remove it from here, or you can just open it or turn it off. Okay, so it's up to you. It's optional. So go here. So for example, if you want to hear the voice, you will just click this play button, stop it, play button, stop it. Okay, and also if you will show the slide from here, the sound will be on automatically. Okay, but as I said, you can mute it. It's fine. Okay. Sometimes if this icon here big and it hides some important information, you can just adjust the size of it. Okay, right now it's big, so just try to adjust the size. So here, for example, it hides some a little bit of information, just adjust it, the size. Okay, so all these, look here, I'm talking here and explain some other things. So it's up to you if you want to see just the PowerPoint slides or these PowerPoint slides and the audio. Okay, so let's save it, it's fine. Okay, now chapter 4, summary, lecture note. It is a Word file or PDF file, sorry. Okay, this is the chapter 4, it is the summary. We'll give you all this. Now, we're done with this. Okay, as a stop. Okay. Let me just, okay, I think I just close all the window. Okay, let me just open it again. Go Valley. Okay, 1 minute, guys. Okay, let's go to okay, here it is. Okay, so this one is let me share it with you guys again. Okay, so this is the summary. Now let's go back to Canvas. Okay, you're done. Click on next. Okay, it will take you about the Zoom discussion. Chapter 3, lambda culture, balanced chemical equation in chapter 4, oxidation number. All these video I recorded by myself talking about the subject. Okay, now if you need also some other video for the discussion, simply click next. I have this watch more video, which is I get it from the YouTube. It is a good video that will help you also. You done with these, click on next. It will take you to the worked example, some example that we have here, review them. Then discussion, the summary, the same things what we did in previous module, the module 1, what we did in chapter 2, you will give a summary. Okay, click next. Chapter 3 discussion and chapter 4 discussion. We have 2 discussions in this module. This is a solubility rule. This table will help you to know how to decide if the compound is soluble or not. Okay, click next. Now the homework and a quiz. You will do it at Chem 101 website app. Okay, be careful, guys. The due date for the homework and the quiz, you will find it in the Chem 101 app, not here. Okay, so be careful. You have to load it here, go to the Chem 101 app, look on chapter 4, for example, or chapter 3 homework, and you will start with it. Also, the same things with the quiz. Then after you're done, we will have exam. The same things what we did in exam 1. Okay, we will take it in CUM 101 app. Click next. Now we will have the experiment. We have this experiment, which is through the Lapister, and another experiment here. Okay, click next. Now the optional reading, which is the book. If you need, if all the PowerPoint slides, the summary is not enough for you and you need to review more information, just review this book. Okay, guys? So that's what you're gonna do in module 2. Let me just talk about the experiment. In this experiment, what do we have here? Okay, this chemical reaction lab online, okay, you will submit it as a PDF file, Word document, or image file through the Canvas. The same things what we did in the lab measurement in module 1, but here it will be for a chemical reaction. Okay, guys, so hopefully you're okay right now and ready to start with module 2. Okay, I will see you in another video. Good luck.